Today I'm making a super easy and delicious breakfast recipe called air fried mashed eggs. To start, I cracked 5 eggs into a mixing bowl. Once all the eggs were in the bowl, I added a pinch of salt and some black pepper for seasoning. Then I poured in a small amount of milk, which helps make the eggs softer and gives them a creamier texture. After that, I used a whisk to mix everything together. I whisked until the yolks and the whites were fully combined and the mixture looked smooth and slightly frothy. If you're enjoying these step-by-step air fryer recipes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stick around for more easy and delicious ideas. Next, it was time to prepare the air fryer. I preheated it first because starting with a hot air fryer helps the eggs cook more evenly. Once it was fully heated, I placed a stick of butter inside the cooking dish and let it melt. I gently moved it around so the butter coated the bottom and the sides of the dish. This not only prevents sticking but also adds a rich buttery flavor to the eggs. When the butter had completely melted, I poured the whisked egg mixture into the dish. At this point, everything was ready for cooking. I placed the dish into the air fryer and set it to 190 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. About 5 minutes into the cooking time, I opened the air fryer and took the dish out carefully. The eggs had already started to set around the edges while remaining soft in the center. After stirring, I returned the dish to the air fryer to continue cooking. A few minutes later, with around 3 minutes remaining, I repeated the process. I took the eggs out, gave them another good stir, and then placed them back inside. Just before the cooking time was finished, I checked them one last time and stirred again. This final mix helped create perfectly fluffy, creamy eggs with a soft scrambled texture. The eggs were fully cooked but still moist and tender, exactly how I like them. Once they were done, I removed them from the air fryer and transferred them to a serving plate. To add a bit of freshness and color, I served the eggs with some cherry tomatoes on the side. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next recipe.